Hey guys, 14th Prime here with another unboxing video. So, yeah, I got this box from BBTS. It's a pretty big box. Here's my, knife. But, yeah. So, we can open this, see what it is. Obviously, I already know since I ordered it. Maybe some of you can tell from... But now almost everyone can tell. Bring this up. Decided. Oop, here's. Oh, look at this first. There's like nothing for Transformers on this time around. Huh. That is weird. Order form. And here is the Combiner Wars D2 Minosaur. Let's get this out. Try to push this box aside. So yeah, there he is. All G2-y. Actually, as of a few days ago, I just shipped off my original Minosaur, so I can't compare them. But, yeah, I have this one, which I'll be doing reviews of them separately. One by one. Moon Master, Dragstrip, Dead End, Breakdown, Breakneck, and Blackjack. So, yeah. Be expecting that soon. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, anyway, want to see video reviews, check out my channel. Then, 14th Prime, signing out.